Hi everyone, I'm going to do a little updating to these Klipschorns that need the capacitors replaced after about 40 years. So I went to Bob Kreitz and got some capacitor kit. So I'm going to just try to document it a little bit as I go. Here's my setup. New NAD amp. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Here's the caps I'll be replacing. And here is the crossover. It's a type AA. So those are the old caps there. I'll replace those and see how it goes. Take this sucker out. So also with the Kreitz kit, I got a $2 gasket that goes in between the mid-range and horn. So, but I couldn't really find any good documentation on it or pictures, so I kind of figured out myself. Just unhook the speaker leads, and then you just unscrew it. It's pretty beefy, very easy. I have this mostly unscrewed, so this pops off like that. And then you replace that red gasket in there. Pretty simple, but hopefully this helps someone if they were wondering what they had to do. All right, looking pretty good. I soldered them all. Um, Not too bad. I'm getting a little better at soldering. Make sure you check at the very end this screw right here, just to make sure it's not magnetic. It will lower impedance or something, but find a screw that's not magnetic and put it in here. Sometimes in the factory they have used the screw that was not right. So just check that out. And other than that, she looks good. Get to put her back in soon.